Hello, good day everyone. Let's try to solve this question. And the question is f of x is equal to x square plus 1. We use this part if x is greater than equal to 2. And f of x is equal to 7 minus x. We use this part if x is less than 2. So in this question, the first part is does f of 2 exist? And the second part we find does the limit of f of x at x approach to 2 exist or not? And in the third part, we discuss the function is continuous at x is equal to 2 or not. So let's start. First of all, look at this. We discuss the function f of x is continuous at x is equal to 2 or not. And we know that the function is continuous if f of 2 is equal to the limit of function at x approach to 2. So let's start. Look at the left hand side. It is a f of 2. In our question, f is equal to this is a this is a piecewise function because our function is divided into two parts. For all x is greater than or equal to 2, we use this part of the function, and if the x is less than 2, then we use this part of the function. So for f of 2, we select the part in which the equality occur. So look at the first part. In this part, equality is also occur. So we take this part. So f of x it's equal to, we select a x square plus 1. Now in the next step we replace x by 2. So this is a f of 2, it's equal to, this will become a 2 square plus 1, and 2 square is 4 plus 1, it's equal to 5. So f of 2 is equal to 5. Now in the next step we find the limit of function at x approach to 2. So for second part, the limit is exist if limit of function at x approach to left hand side. For left hand side we use this uh, minus, and the from right hand side, the f of x approach to 2, from right hand side we use a symbol plus. If the answer of this function is same, then we can say that the limit of function at x approach to 2 is exist. So we find, so now look at the left hand side. This is a limit f of x at x approach to 2. The symbol we use for left hand side is minus. For left hand side, our function is a piecewise, so we have a two part of this function. And for left hand side, we use a function for which x is less, less than 2 the number, and the number of our question is 2. So if we use a part in which x is less than 2, so we use this second part of our function. So this is a 7 minus x, and here we type limit x approach to 2. So we replace the x by 2, so it's become a 7 minus 2, it's equal to 5. The answer of left hand limit is 5. Now we find the right hand limit f of x at x approach to 2. From right hand side we use a symbol plus, and we have a two function. Which function we choose? In which x is greater than 2. So that is why we choose a first function. So this is a limit x approach to 2. From right hand side we choose a first function is x square plus 1. So we replace the x by 2, so it's become a 2 square plus 1, and this is equal to 5. So the answer of left hand limit is 5, and the answer of right hand limit is 5. So both is same. So we can say that limit of function at x approach to 2. So we can say that the limit of function at x approach to 2 exists. And what is the answer of limit is x approach to 2 f of x is 5. Now look at the last part, is f of x is continuous at x equal to 2 or not. And in the start of the question we discussed that the function is continuous if this condition is satisfied. F of 2 is equal to the limit of function at that point x approach to 2. So limit of f of x when x approach to 2 is 5, so this is a 5, and f of 2 we find that this is also equal to 5. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, so this condition is satisfied. So we can say that the function is continuous at x equal to 2. So this is like this. Thank you.